Hi, good morning. This is Manjunath. Let's continue the next topic of that robotic equation. Next topic is nature of fruits. Nature of fruits. And these three conditions are there. Three conditions. First condition is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Then you will get distinct two roots. Means distinct means separate two different roots. Distinct roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then you will get equal roots. Two equal roots. And the last condition is b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, then you will get no real roots. No real roots. So the topic is about nature of roots. In nature of roots, as you learned in that quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, in that this b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then you get distinct two roots. If b square minus 4ac will, if you get value of the 0, then you will get the equal roots. If b square minus 4 is lesser than 0, then it is the roots will be in minus sign, so the we don't get the real roots. So this b square minus 4ac is called as discrminant of nature of roots. Discrminant. Discrminant of nature of root. So this by this only we are finding that the roots are distinct or equal or no real roots. So b square minus 4 is nothing but discriminant of the nature of roots. Let's start the problems on this. First problem, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So you have to find out the which of these is the nature of the root is. So 2x square minus 3x plus 5 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 5. So our condition is b square minus 4ac. So b square means 9 minus 3 whole square, minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 5. So the value will be 9 minus 4 into 2 is 8, 8 5 is 40. So 40 minus 9 is 31, but it is in the minus 31. So it the formula is based on root of b square minus 4ac. Then root of minus 31, but root of minus 31 means it does not give any root. So b square minus is lesser than 0. So it is this condition certifies that the quadratic formula doesn't have no real roots. Like that, second one, this one no roots. Second one, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. See here, a is equal to 3. In this condition, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3, coefficient of x. So c is equal to 4. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. Again you take the b square minus 4 is, b square is minus 4 root 3 whole square minus, c is minus 4 root 3 whole square, b is there. b is 4 into a is 3, c is 4. So this will be, when you are squaring this one, minus square will become positive. So negative sign will not come. So positive. 4 square is 16 and root 3 whole square is root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3. So 4 square is 16, 16 3 is 48. 48. This is 4 3 is 12, 12 4 is 48. This is also 48. So equal 0. So our condition is b square minus 4 is equal to 0. So it means that it has two equal roots. Two roots will be there and two also equal roots. Two equal roots. Two equal roots. So you have to find out that one. So two equals, which are the roots that one? So if you put that formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here b is minus 4 root 3. So it will become minus already. So it will become 4 root 3. 4 root 3 plus or minus. Already we have found out the b square minus 4ac value, that is 0. So root of 0 is 0 only. Then 2 into a value is 3, 6. Therefore 4 root 3 divided by 6. If we cancel by 2, 2 ones are 2 3s are. So 2 root 3 divided by 3. 2 2s are 2 3s are. Then root 3 by 3 and root there. So here plus or minus is there. For you have to take plus or minus. Okay. Plus is also same. So equal roots will be 2 root 3 by 3 and 2 root 3 by 3. So 2 roots are same. 2 root 3 by 3. Third one. Question is like that: 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 2 coefficient of x square, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to plus 3. So for the nature of roots, what you have to do, you have to check the b square minus 4ac, that is the discrminant of nature of roots. So b square minus 4ac, b is here minus 6, so minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 3. So value will be minus into minus plus, so 6 square 36 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 36 minus 24 is 12. Minus square is plus, so 6 square is 36 minus 4 into 2 and 4 into 2 into 3. So 4ac, 4 to 8, 8 is 24. So 24. 36 minus 24 is 12. Here we got the value greater than 0. So greater than 0 means we will get two roots but distinct roots. Separate two different roots. So if you put the value in that equation, minus p plus or minus, in this equation, we will get already minus 6 is there. Minus of minus 6 will be 6 plus or minus, you got the value root 12. Root 12 divided by 2a. A is nothing but here 2. 2 into 2. So it will be 6 plus or minus root 12 divided by 2 to the 4. So here 6 plus root 12. We can write this one 6 plus root 12 as 6 plus or minus. If you take 4 into 3, root of 4 will be this one like this, 4 into 3 divided by 4. So root 4 into 3 can do. So root 4 into root 3. So it will be 6 plus or minus root 4. If you bring the square root, it will become 2. 2 root 3 divided by 4. If you simplify this one, take 2 as common. 3 plus root 3 divided by 2 you have taken common, so 2 2s are 3 plus or minus root 3 by 2. So the roots will be 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. I think you are confusing in this in this line. So 6 plus or minus root 12 we can write as root 4 into root 3. So root 4 is value is square is 2. So 6 plus or 2 root 3 divided by 4. 2 I taken common. So if you take common 2 3s are 2 1s are 2. So root 3 divided by, here 2 is there, 2 4 is there. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 will become 3 plus or root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. So the roots are distinct roots because it is b square minus 4ac is greater than the 0. Then second question. Second question what they given. The find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Two equal roots means what? Two equal roots means d square minus 4 is equal to 0. So the condition we have to put this one and you find out the values of the k. First equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to same formula. A is equal to 2, b is equal to k, c is equal to 3. So put these values in the they given d square minus 4 is equal to 0 because two equal roots. Condition is b square minus 4 is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So here b is k square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 3. Therefore is equal to 0. K square minus 4 into 2 is 8, 8 is a 24. K square will become this 24, it will go outside, it will become 24. K square is equal to 24, but it is not perfect square. So we can split that one. How means? Plus or minus 24. We can write as root of 4 into 6. 4 into 6. So it will become plus or minus root 4 is 2 root 6. So the answer for the k value is 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. The k value is 2 plus or minus 2 root 6. Because d square minus 4 is equal to 0, this is when they have given condition as two equal roots. So for two equal roots we have to take the formula b square minus 4 is equal to 0. The next one, in the same question, second main, kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. For this also you have to find out k value. So first you take this equation as in the form of x square. So kx is a multiply. Kx square minus 2 into kx, 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Then here if you see this one, the values are a is equal to k, b is equal to 2k and c is equal to 6. A is equal to k, b is equal to 2k, c is equal to 6. Again the condition they given as same only, b square minus 4 is equal to 0. Two equal roots means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So a value here is given coefficient of x square k and coefficient of x is 2k. This is the b value and c is 6. So this one minus is there, minus you take, minus 2k, minus 2k. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B is minus 2. So minus 2 whole square is plus 4. 4k square minus 4 into a is k into c is 6. It will become 4k square minus 6 into 4 is 24. 24k is equal to 0. So 4k square is equal to, then this one this side, it will become 24k. So cancel 1k here, 1k here, it will become k is equal to 4 into 6. It will become k is equal to 6. So 4k square is equal to 24. 24k, then cancel 1k and 1k here. So it remains k. 4 ones are 4 6 are directly equal sign is there. So numerator you can cancel both sides. 4 ones are 4 6 are. So the value of the k will be satisfied with the condition is 6. Next, third main. The given, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. If it is exist means we have to find out the length and breadth. So what the given condition? Length is twice its breadth. So if you take breadth as x, the length will be twice. Twice means 2x. And the given area is 800 meter square. Area is given as 800 meter square. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove? So rectangle, you have to first find out the answer. Then only you get the that one. It is possible to find a rectangular grove or not. So area formula is length into breadth. Area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. Why rectangle? They given rectangular mango grove. So area is equal to length into breadth. Area they given 800 and L is x, L is 2x and B is x. It will become 2x square. This side 800. So directly can cancel by 400. 2 4 8, 2 0 2 0. So x square is equal to 400. So x will become 20 meters. Here see x square is equal to 400, x equal to 20 meters. So it the square root of 400 is nothing but 20. So the x square will be 20. Plus or minus 20, but minus 20 we can't take because it is in the length and breadth. Length and breadth will always in the positive side. So what they given? If so, find its length and breadth. So this is breadth. This is breadth. And twice of this will be length. Length is equal to 2x. 2x is equal to 2 into 20, 40 meter. So length will be 40 meter. So for this condition, it is possible to design a rectangular mango grove. So it is possible to design a rectangular mango grove. The next one, fourth one. The given, is the following situation possible? So same like that as previous question. If so, determine their present ages. So the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. So the first condition is they given find out the present ages. So before that we have to see the product equation satisfies the conditions or not. Then the sum of the ages of two friends. So let two friends age will be x and y. So what they given condition? The sum of the ages of two friends. So x plus y is nothing but 20 years. X plus y is 20 years. Then 4 years ago the product of their ages in years was 48. 4 years ago means back 4 years. So x minus 4. They given product of their ages. Product of their ages means x and y. So y minus 4, it was 48 years. The product of 4 years back, there is x minus 4 and another friend is y minus 4 is equal to 48. So x minus 4 into y minus 4 into is equal to 48. Then you have to solve this one quadratic equation. So x minus 4 in term of y we can put 20 minus x because y is equal to, if you take y, x will become this side, so 20 minus x. So in terms of y we can write 20 minus x minus 4 is equal to 48. So here x minus 4, 20 minus x minus 4 is equal to 48. X minus 4, 20 minus x minus 4, 20 minus 4 is 16. So 16 minus x, that is equal to 48. So you have to solve this one. X into 16 is 16x, x into x square is minus x square. This one minus 4 into 16 is minus 64. Minus into minus is plus, 4 into x is 4x. This is 4x is equal to 48. Then 16x plus 4x is 20x. Bring this x square this side, because we always put the value of x square in the positive sign. So if I take this one, all sign will change. X square will minus x square will become plus x square, and minus plus 16x plus 4 will become plus 20x. That side means minus 20x, and minus 4 that side. 64 plus 48. 64 plus 48, it will become 112. So 112 is equal to 0. This will become minus because plus is there. Plus 64, this side, this side plus 112. So x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. Then they ask you find out the roots. So finding the roots, if you take, check for the nature of the root. B square minus 4ac is equal to, so b is here, take the values. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20, and c is equal to 112. So b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac, b square, b is 20, so it will become 400. Minus square means plus only. 20 into 20 is 400. Minus b square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 112. So it will become 400 minus 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 112 is 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. It will become minus 48. This value is what? This value is minus 48. It is in the negative sign and it is less than 0. So when the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, what will get? That condition, according to that condition, b square minus 4 is equal to less than 0. It will be no real roots. No real roots. So we can't find their present ages. Because here the value of b square minus 4 is getting lesser than 0. So it indicates that no real roots. So we can't find the present ages of their two friends. Only three conditions are there. First condition is that if they given b square minus 4ac, the value is coming greater than 0, then it has two distinct roots. Distinct means two different roots. Then if it is b square minus 4ac is getting 0, then it has two equal roots. You will get the two roots and same as the two roots. Then if b square minus 4ac is getting lesser than 0, then the condition is called as b square minus 4 is equal to, that is the discriminant of nature of roots. In the, you will get the no real roots. So example we have taken here, 48 coming, minus 48 is there. So minus 48 is lesser than 0, then it will get the no real. So we can't find the further conditions. Like that, next one, last problem of this chapter. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. So, the given last problem, perimeter of that rectangular park is, perimeter is equal to 80 meter and area is equal to 400 meters square. 400 meters square. So you have to find the perimeter of they given 80 meter and area they given 400. So you have to find the that length and breadth value. So first we should, for this we should know the formula of perimeter of rectangle and area of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is 2LB. 2L plus B. So L plus B will become 2L plus B value is 80 they given 80. So this will become L 80 by 2. It gives 40 meters. So L plus B value is 40 meter. This is first condition. From this we can't find length and width because some of the values is there, but only when two variables and having one value, so you can't find the value. So further step you have to utilize this area value. So area so area is equal to the given area is equal to 400. So area of the rectangle formula, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So length into breadth is equal to 400 meters square. So here they given L plus B is equal to 40. So in terms of L I can write B minus 40. B minus 40 and B is equal to 400. Why B minus 40 means length plus breadth value is 40. So if I take breadth value, length value, it will become breadth 40 minus B. Okay, 40 minus B. 40 minus B. Length is equal to 40 minus B. So 40 minus B into B is equal to 400. So you take the value 40B minus B square is equal to 400. Always put this in the position. So send this one this side. So B square will become minus B square will become plus B square. 40B will become minus 40B, and this is as it is because it is here only. So plus 400 is equal to 0. So for this we have to find the roots. 400. If you split 400, you should come 40 and the value product of the value should be 400 and the value of the adjacent value should be 40. So if you take 20 into 20, so 20 into 20 is 400. It is getting 400. Here quotient of B square is 1. So 20 into 20 is 400 and 20 plus 20 is 40. So B square minus 20B plus 400 is equal to 0. So it will be B common, B minus 20 minus 20, B 20 you take common minus 20, B plus is there. So minus is there, to make plus we have to multiply it by minus. So minus 20. So B minus 20 is equal to 0 and another one B minus 20 is equal to 0. So it will become B is equal to 20 and B is equal to 20. The roots of the equation will get the same roots. So it is B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. For this condition the roots will be same. So breadth is 20. They ask you to find out the length and breadth. Breadth is 20. If you put length is equal to 40 minus B. B is nothing but breadth. Breadth we got 20. 40 minus 20. So it will be 20 meter. This is 20 meter. So you should know the, for this one to solve you should know the formula, that is perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Then area of rectangle is L into B. L into B means length into breadth. So for the given, they given length into breadth value and they given perimeter value. So for the perimeter value, we should find the one equation, and for the area of rectangle, you will get the other equation, that is L into B is equal to 400. Put the value of anything B or L or on the same side, so it will become 40 minus B into B is equal to 400. Then you solve in quadratic equations. You will take the roots as 20 into 20 because 20 plus 20 is 40 and 20 into 20 is 400. Then we should find the root of that equation 20 and find the length and breadth of that problem. So this completes the chapter, that is quadratic equation. So if you have doubt, if you get any doubts, you can comment in the comment box. Then you go through these videos and you will get the third condition, how to solve the problems. Then I will start the next chapter in the next session. So thank you.